Hello guys, today I will show you how to make intro for your YouTube channel. Don't skip the video and watch till the end. First of all you need to open Play Store and search for Intro Maker. After that select the Intro Maker for YouTube, the second one, and install it. After installing, open it and select a theme for your intro. After selecting the theme, download the view. You have two options, 480p and 1080p. Select the option which suits you. After that, input your channel name and select the font style. After selecting the font, save it. After that, add the subtitles that you want. After adding the subtitle, then select the music you want to put in the intro. After doing that, save the intro and it's done. Keep in mind that it is a free version, so some items may be locked. If this video reaches 100 like and 100 comments, I will be sharing the link for pro version. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel for more information.